Supplemental list, item number 1.
Yeah, please. You have initially FIR was registered under section 137(2) of BNS. Subsequently done to a case under section 137(2), 87, 64(2)(m) of BNS read with section 6 of the
Notice required, Mala. Notice 6 folks is there. 6 folks is there.
Since one of the offense. Extra copy. Who we support next.
Item 2.
May I please the Lordship?
8 kg 400 gram ganja.
8 kg
Custody
400 grams.
17/7/2020.
16/7/25.
Mala.
16/7/25.
17/7/25 for
अच्छा,
us.
17 at order लिखा जी 17/7/25. 8 kg 400 plus then commercial quantity bar not applicable allowed.
Oblations.
Item 3.
Item number 3, madam. One passport, madam.
So nuwa metro order को कोणासी की केस दे दी.
Mala, category is there 100 number of sari. The informant is a carrier. Weaver Mallard. They have committed 100 number of Hon'Ble sari. And it recover 65 from the possession of the petitioner.
कौन options कौन है ये IPC रो
379 457 3
capital learning.
Custody Mallard.
Madam.
Date का date which
23/6/2025. 23/6/2025.
Yes. 26 forward.
All the offences are master travel.
Yes.
Or 24/6/25 master travel offences allowed. Na these in the offences. Yes.
Item 4.
May I please your Lordship? Your Lordship, allegation under section 21B of the NDPS Act, 72 grams of brown sugar has been seized from the petitioner. Your Lordship.
It is less than commercial quantity, but for the area Mallard. It is rampant in that area Mallard. This should be.
Cinema से रही.
Your Lordship, final pair has been submitted. Your Lordship.
25, 72 grams heroin lesser than commercial quantity. Charge sheet है नहीं ना नहीं.
Yes, yes. Final pair submitted. 10/7/25.
I have not received the case diary.
Final fear has been submitted. Allowed for this next.
Grateful.
Item 5.
May I please your Lordship?
520.
My Lord, I beg to pardon your Lordship. My Lord, on behalf of Mr. A.R. Panda, my Lord, matter may be listed after 2 weeks, your Lordship.
कितने कौन है इधर?
No case diary. 520 kg 200 ग्राम गंजा.
CA. मतलब after Durga Puja holidays. Yes.
Item 6.
Congratulations.
6 books is there Mallard.
No PG. No,
Lordship, I am
Okay.
appearing to the informant.
Oh, you are appealing then.
Lordship.
How do you?
Lordship, I filed the wakalatnama and then
Please,
affidavit.
name, give your name and when you file the wakalatnama. Just indicate. You give a copy of the bail application to also submit that he has already entered appearance for the informant by filing wakalatnama on such and such day. Get a copy of the bail application be served on the land council for the informant by Monday.
Lordship,
Ajay, you have received it.
Lordship.
So and so. Have you received the?
Yes.
So
Lordship, I also filed an affidavit. Lordship, in this case, a
Regarding
compromise has already been arrived between the informant.
what is the age of the victim?
Lordship, 14 years.
No?
Still can't compromise.
Question of compromise here. 14 years girl, rape case, na?
Yes. Books is there.
Sure.
affidavit has also been filed by us.
We do not know you. You must take now it is up to you. They have stated that matter has been sorted out. Now the state council will obtain instruction whether the wakalatnama is genuine or not, whether the affidavit is genuine or not, whether the informant has stated you that yes, the matter has been amicably settled. All these things it is to be ascertained, and if the statement is not correct, then the consequence will follow. What is there? Yes, next item 7. Grateful.
Item 7.
Item 7, an injury simple in nature, but the petitioner has 4 criminal incident. खाली रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर रे 4टा केस लिखा आइची 16 पीएस केस नंबर 390 ऑफ 2023, 395 ऑफ 2023, 411 ऑफ 2024.
What are those case, madam? 4टा केस जो आपण नार अछि कि प्रकार केस?
ना फैमिली डिस्प्यूट
से एटा नुहे आपण नारे 4टा केस अछि बोली रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर रे इंडिकेट होउची से 4टा केस रो स्टेटस कोन कि प्रकार केस है? Paragraph number 5 of the rejection order रे मेंशन है जी. किछि लिखिचंती आपनकर बेल एप्लीकेशन रे से विषय रे आपनकर क्रिमिनल एंटीसिडेंट विषय रे the learned counsel for the state submits that in the rejection order in paragraph number 5 it has been mentioned that the petitioner is involved in Soro PS case number so and so of similar nature, and he may be, though he has received the, you have received the case diary,
No.
and he has not received the case diary, and the matter may be taken up in some other day to produce the case diary and also to ascertain the status of those 4 cases. Put up this matter, give a date. Yes, next.
Item 8.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, here the offences are 20B2C and 25 of the NDPS Act. Here in this
340 kg ganja.
Lordship, may I permit, Lordship? Lordship, as per the story of the prosecution, the affair is not named in the against the present petitioner. It is alleged that
The case diary come, it's a commercial quantity, CD, CA. Okay, next.
one of the accused, a large Hon'Ble, who is caught red-handed, Lordship.
Item number 9.
Item 9.
Allegation is that during the college study, infant have robbed relationship with petitioner, supported to the section 160 victim, and all 160 already filed page 17 22 से कहूँ उभय कविता प्रेम संपर्क थिला कॉलेज पढ़िला बेले से हरान करबारु उनका सहित संपर्क खिल नहीं. Allegation माने all are available offense only 67 and 67A 7 years and fine.
My lord, the petitioner has
All 67.
calculated the nude photo of the victim that is seized, my lord. IT Act is there, nude photo also seized. The petitioner created a fake ID in the name of the victim, and through his ID, calculated the nude photo. It was seized.
Statement has also been recorded by before the learned magistrate also.
My lord.
160 already filed page 17 page 24.
Case diary ଅଛି?
Yes, case is there. That photograph 164 everything, sir.
କେବେ ତାର ଇଏ ମାନେ ରହିଲାଣି କେତେ ଦିନ?
Forfeit, my lord.
4/7/2025
Sir.
कौन ही करे Mr. Tripathi, what is the avocation of the petitioner? एमती फोटो नहीं ये करे ना और कुछ करे
ମାଇନର ସେ ପଢୁଛି ପାଠ କଲେଜ ମାଇନର
पाठ पढ़ुची
ହଁ ଏକାଡେ ପଢୁଥିଲେ ଆଇଟିଆଇ କଲେଜ ପଢୁ ତା ସମୟରେ ବଣ୍ଟି ଜେନା ବୁଲେଇ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସିନା ଦନ୍ତପଡା ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର 3 ତାଙ୍କ ସେ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରେମ ସମ୍ପର୍କ ଥିଲା ସେ ତାର ସିନିୟର ଥିଲା ମାନେ ଭିକ୍ଟିମ ର
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ପାଠ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି
ମାଇନର
କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି you are a student and from which college you are reading what is your
ମାଇନର ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ତୃତୀୟ ଲାଇନରେ 2023 ମସିହାରେ ତାଳଚେର ଆଇଟିଆଇ କଲେଜ ପଢୁଥିବା ସମୟରେ ବଣ୍ଟି ଜେନା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଠିକ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମ
ସେଇଥିରେ ତାର ସିନିୟର ଥିଲା
ହଁ
in the year 2023 the petitioner was the senior of the victim
ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ମାଇନର ପଢୁଛି ସତପଡା ଆଇଟିଆଇ କଲେଜ ତାଳଚେରରେ
where have you stated that in the bail application
ITI ଟା କେତେ ବର୍ଷ କୋର୍ସ
have you produced can you produce any document to that effect that you are now also a student
ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ମାଇନର ପିଟିସନ
there is no averment at least in the petition that you are a student and
ମାଇନର ଟାଇପିକାଲ ମିଷ୍ଟେକ୍ ଅଛି
that is the main ground you are taking for is there anything in the case record that he is a student
ସେ କହୁଛି informant in her
ନାଇଁ ସେ ସେତେବେଳେ ପଢୁଥିଲା ବେଳେ
now
ସେ କହୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ବି ସେ
at present that is and that nude photo mailer seized which was circulated
is now 19 years what is the age of the victim
mailer 21
ये कହାର सीनियर थिला
petitioner victim ର senior ଥିଲା
बयस 19 ताकू
ଇଏ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଭୁଲ
ସେ 19 ବୟସ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ କି
ନା ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ହେଇନଥିବ କାରଣ victim ଯଦି ତାର statement ରଖୁଛି
that is also the age given in the rejection order
yes but at the time of arrest according to the statement of the
that is okay. So what is your age proof that because if you say that you are the senior to that victim is now 21 years then you are just 19 years how can you be senior to the victim you have reduced the age of the petitioner
पुलिस बोले ଲେଖି ଯାଇଥିଲେ ତା ବର୍ଷ
पुलिस को अपन जहाँ कहते से लिखते हो you show the age proof and also your that you are students Lekhon, the Mr. Tripathi Land Council appearing through so submits that the petitioner is now a student and he was senior to the victim while they were prosecuting their studies in IIT Talcher, na? Talcher. The victim has mentioned her age to be 21
ITI
years.
culture ITI culture
ITI culture. The victim has mentioned her age to be 21 years, whereas the petitioner has mentioned his age to be 19 years. There is no documentary proof either relating to his age or that he is a student. He seeks for an adjournment to produce those documentary proof, put up this matter on such answer that give a date. Yes.
Item 10.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, here the offence is 21B of the NDPS Act, and the petitioner is a lady we forwarded before the London
12 gram 30 milligram
12 gram 30 milligram. On 8 सात
केबेट रोइलनी
सर 8 सात 2025
सर
पूरा क्या लिखा है जी
8/7/2025
87
मैंने क्या वो जो
অফেন্সটা কিন্তু ভুল লেখা হয়েছে রিজেকশন অর্ডারে 21B হওয়া কথা 20 within bracket 1 within bracket B. Answer.
এটা হবার কথা 21 ব্র্যাকেটের বি।
Yes.
Again.
Yes.
Okay. Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is a lady and she is in judicial custody since able to quote in the
8/7/2025.
8/7/2025, and the quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is
12 gram, 30 milligram.
12 gram 30 milligram, which is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act is not applicable. And after giving the land council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Yes.
Next one.
Item 11.
By seeking bail of the petitioner by judicial custody in connection with the RCS number registered under section 420.09/120B34 IPC, read with the 456 and ECMC Act. The petitioner initially arrested 26/9/2018.
Have you received the case diary? Mr. Nayak,
Lordships, I need some time to seek instructions in the matter and file a reply.
what is this Supreme Court order has been annexed into this application? What are those application order? Annexure 4 upon what order ta deichanti Honorable Supreme Court kara in criminal appeal in case of one Lakhan Soni. He is a co-accused or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He has been granted bail.
Granted bail.
So how many persons have been released on bail?
All accused persons are released on bail except the petitioner.
This is your first application or earlier rejected?
Earlier rejected.
When it was rejected?
December report.
मैंने कहीं और कितने नंबर केस रे कौन रीजन दिया है कि रिजेक्ट हो ना?
Last the withdraw करथिलु माल.
अच्छा. तो केबे विथड्रॉ करथिले? कोथरे
3/5/2025.
BLAPL नंबर?
BLPL number 11652 of 2023.
ओके. ता पूर्वरु मेरिट रे रिजेक्ट ହେଇଛି.
हतापुरु मेरिट रिजेक्ट ହେଇଛି.
Have you
19 मसिया.
Have you gone to the Honorable Supreme Court against the rejection
No,
order?
my lord.
All right, Mr. Sarthak Naik, Land Public Prosecutor appearing for the Republic of India, CBI, submits that he has received the copy of the bail application and may be given some time to obtain instruction and his response to verify whether the petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused Lakhan Soni, who has been granted bail by the Honorable Supreme Court in criminal appeal number 2060 of 2023 by order dated 21/7/2023. The copy of which has been annexed to this bail application as annexure 4. Stop. What is the status of the trial now?
Trial in the meantime, 164 charge sheeted witnesses, 48 have been examined. Witnesses.
All right.
48.
The land counsel for the petitioner submits that now the case is pending for trial in the Court of Land and Special CGM CBI Bhubaneswar in SP case number 35 of 2014, and out of
164 charge sheeted
164
witnesses,
charge sheet witnesses,
48 have been examined.
48 witnesses have been examined. Status report we called for from the Land and Trial Court, and for such purpose, file be placed before the Land and Registered Judiciary. Will do the need.
Petitioner is the executive director.
Huh?
Petitioner is the executive director.
Acha. You are in judicial custody since when?
26/9/2018, since 7 years, more than 7 years.
26/9.
26/9/2018.
Where have you stated in which paragraph?
It is in page 20 of the
Number
petition.
9.
Lordships.
Paragraph
Lordship,
number
please-
9, page number 2.
Page 20 of the petition in the charge sheet, your Lordships.
The Land and Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is instituted in judicial custody since 26/9/2018, and in the meantime, trial is under progress. And out of 160 so witnesses, this is you. Yes, adjourned. The name of Mr. Sarthak Naik, the London public prosecutor, be reflected in the cause list. And yes, ma'am.
Item 12.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, petitioner filing one IF for interim bail, Lordship. His father-in-law passed away, Lordship. That became infructuous, that father-in-law died on 25/7/2025. Lordship, in another case, Lordship, lower court granted 15 days time, Lordship.
ଆପଣ ଶଶୁର 25/7/25 ମଲେ ତାର ତ ସବୁ ସରିଯିବନି, ଆଉ ବେଲ୍ କଣ ତା ସେଇ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ରେ ଯିବେ। ଆପଣ ମେରିଟ ରେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଅଲଗା କଥା, ବଟ୍ वी कैन नॉट
On merit, Lordship, kindly adjourn this matter.
ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ IN number 807 of 2025. This is an application for interim bail on the ground of the death of father-in-law of the petitioner. Stop. Land Council for the state has pointed out from the averments taken in the interim application that the death took place on 25/7/2025, and further submits that the obsequies ceremony is already over. In view of such submission, I'm not inclined to grant interim bail to the petitioner. Stop. The Land Council, you have received the case diary?
No, my lord.
The Land Council, what is the offense here?
409/468. Earlier, the bail application of the petitioner were rejected on merit with reason order, my lord. The crores of rupees, my lord, misappropriated through account, my lord, from the society account to the account of the petitioner.
Okay. The Land Council for the state seeks some time to obtain case diary, put up this matter on such answer. Yes. Interim application that is for that is IN number 807.
Item 13.
Offense of 85/115-3512-108.
Item number 13. Yes.
My lord, the family member of the deceased tortured the deceased. Deceased committed suicide along with her daughter, my lord. Both 2 persons died. Investigation going on, my lord. The petitioner is the husband.
What are the offenses here?
304B, ultimately it will be turned to 306, my lord.
He committed suicide.
Yes.
And what about the child?
So that's the end.
Or came the
Noiki Dinky. Investigation going on and petitioner is the husband.
କେବେ ବାହାଘର କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା?
ନା ବାହାଘର 5 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ।
କେତେ ମାସ ହେଲାଣି ରହିଲେଣି?
17/6/2026.
Investigation going on.
Okay, you obtain you have got the case diary?
Case diary, but investigation is going.
The Land and Council for the state submits that he has received the case diary, but seeks some further time to obtain instruction relating to the stage of investigation, status of investigation. Put up this matter out of date. Yes.
Okay.
Item 14.
Name petitioner's custody since 7/7/2025 of offense under section 309+4 of DNS Act. Robbery of amount of 8,000. There is no criminal antecedent. No criminal antecedent. 8,000.
8,000.
Yes.
You have got no criminal antecedent.
No criminal. Yes, there is no criminal.
Magistrate tribal offense.
Yes, yes.
You are a man from
Balangir.
Balangir. Heard the learned counsel for the petition and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 7/7/2025 and offense is triable by magistrate. Investigation has made substantial progress. After hearing the learned counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioner has got no criminal antecedent and is a case of robbery of rupees 8,000, which has been recovered or what?
Yes, like 1,000 recovered.
Which has been recovered. I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Sub item is same as the co-active.
Coactive in sub item, the criminal antecedent verification has not been done, my lord, because CT come in 7954. In that case, police mentioned that Ranjan bag has no criminal antecedent. The lower court to verify.
Lower court नहीं ये rejection order किसी लिखा है
No.
submission है.
Subject to verification of
Learned counsel for the state submit that in the case diary, nothing has been mentioned regarding the criminal antecedent of the petitioner. They are putting bail days allowed. Next.
Item 15.
15 कालने अजून one week after.
बाकी सब समान है. 15 adjournment चाहिए. Case diary is
Yes.
Offense कौन?
376.
Case diary is available. Learned counsel for the petitioner 6 for an adjournment. Yes, next.
Item 16.
Next. 20B2B.
13 kg ganja.
Active 22/7/2025.
The case of China now.
No, no.
13/7/2025. 13 kg ganja. Less than commercial quantity. Allowed. Next.
Item 17.
Second, the petitioner same case, another active.
Three type connect. Arising out of same.
Date same.
Then same case.
Same case.
Same case arrest same.
Arrest same.
Then I'm trial जाऊँ
Next. Allowed.
Item 17.
Similar offense under section 52A Odisha Excise Act Millard quantity of ideal liquor Millard
140 liter ideal liquor.
That's of ideal.
Charge sheet submitted, no criminal antecedent.
Debate roll learning.
Millard 19/7/2025.
19/7/2025. Magistrate tribal offense, no criminal antecedent allowed. Next.
Item 18.
Custody since 10/5/2020 for alleged offense under section 178,
Fake currency.
180,
Fake currency.
612 of BNS Act. Lordship 7,100. The petitioner was working in Chandan Mobile and he got his salary. The amount was given by one Chandan to him.
Chandan is a history sheeter, my lord. He has a number of criminal antecedents. Previously, he was arrested in Kaliampani PS case number 12 of 2017 for the same 489A, 489B, 489C. Jaspur PS case number 1 of 2022, that is 498A, 489A, 489B, 489. ये ना चंदन याकू देइछि, he is the agent of the Chandan. ते ताकू नहीं market रे circulate कर. From the possession of the petitioner,
7,100 rupees.
number कहूछि total 25टा 200 टंकिया, 4टा 500 टंकिया, 3टा 100 टंकिया.
ना सेटा तीन नंबर होछि 100 rupees नो.
हाँ 3टा होछि से कथा कहूछि 3टा 100 टंकिया, 25टा 200 टंकिया और 4टा 500 टंकिया. ए भली की सीज हिच from the Chandan 647
No antecedent of no antecedent of the present petition.
from Chandan 647 number of fake currency.
टंका देइछन चेक कर रखितले.
I was working under him, that's it. As per the instructions.
30 टंका देइछन चेक कर
बंद करे.
Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petition The petitioner is in judicial custody. केबे रहिलेनी?
10/5/2025.
10/5/2025. Investigation position कौन?
Going on.
Investigation has made substantial progress and the allegation against the petitioner that he was having fake currency note of rupees 7,100. And after hearing the land counsel, I am inclined to release the petitioner on the allowed.
Item 19.
Yes, item 9.
Item 19, my lord, initially case was registered under 296, 115, 109. Subsequently, it was turned into 103 and 35, ma'am.
अच्छी केस डायरी नो नहीं और सिटी में
Item 20.
Please, offense under 20B, 2C, 24 kg, 300.
the commercial one 24.6 CD of criminal and Christian negligence. Next.
Item 21.
Poxo Act? अच्छा notice for the extra copy दो case diary आनी चाहिए अच्छा case diary available notice टा कर next
Item 22.
Item 22 also Poxo is there, madam.
same extra copy देवे हाँ concerned IAC yes next
Item 23.
Lordship, in the patent, the bail application, petitioner name has not been in the report and the injuries are simple in nature.
what are these offenses
Offenses are
307
126.
307 122 plus 341 1 section 322 1 section 343
major offense is 307
307
so how many injured are there one injured what are the injuries sustained
Person has been here.
discharged from the hospital who थे मारले
That is 4, my lord.
sword
So,
how many number of blows have been given
injury report shows that simple in nature.
simple gotte na dida
Simple in nature. No
Okay.
weapon was used.
Only simple in nature.
injured na kon koile
Injured, my lord, Pranab Kumar Vishwa.
Pranab Kumar Vishwa he is the informant informant is one Prashant Kumar Vishwa
Prashant Kumar Vishwa.
अच्छा Pranab tar कौन होगा
Younger brother Pranab Kumar Vishwa.
heard the learned counsel for the petitioner and counsel for the case considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petition that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 19/6/2025. Investigation has made substantial progress and the injured Pranab Kumar Vishwa has sustained simple injury. And after hearing the land counsel for the state who has produced the case diary, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Shall not indulge in any criminal activity allowed.
Item 24.
Hello, 376 offense. Police has submitted charge sheet in this case. The victim lady is a married woman.
Poxo Act कराची
No,
No one postcode.
नहीं
no.
लिखा है जी रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर है 600 पोक्सो रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर का देखना चार्ज शीट रे काटी दी चाहिए ना कौन मिस्टर प्रधान
My lord.
रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर लिखा है जी 600 पोक्सो एक्ट में Have you got the copy of the charge sheet? That has been deleted. Charge sheet रे 600 पोक्सो एक्ट नहीं
Married lady, my lord, having 2 children.
4
Lady.
criminal antecedent is there.
कहाँ ना रे आना रे
I mentioned
की प्रकार केस
My lord.
para it, my lord, I mentioned.
कौन मेंशन माने कौन मेंशन करते हैं
4 cases, minor offenses.
कौन माइनर ऑफेंस माने कौन
My lord. PS case number Gangapur case 285.
where have you stated all those details and what are the status of those cases
Is on police bail, all cases.
whether the offenses are reflected, what are the case?
My lord. Gangapura PS case number 285, 341, 294, 323, 526, and Gangapura PS case number 433, also 296, 351, and 3 of the BNS. The Gangapura PS case number 635, 296, 115, 151, 132, 351, and
कौन से
35.
offense गुड़ा कौन IPC रे कौन हो?
296 my lord, option X, 294 IPC. This is on criminal intimidation, 506. 115 for voluntary causing harm, 323 IPC. 324 next my lord. 132.
एथिरा आपण allegation कौन आस्य एथि?
It is 376 allegation.
Since when you are in custody in connection with this?
My lord. 46, 26, 25.
What is the statement of the victim? Let us see that. Are you having that 164 CRPC statement? Victim is a married lady.
Married lady, there have been 2 children. And 313 is there, madam. Causing miscarriage with the.
Have you got that charge sheet with you? Pass on. Victim ର statement କାଇଁ?
161
ନାଇଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି କଣଟା ନା କି ବିଷୟ ଗୋଟେ ସେଇ
ନାଇଁ ରୂପାলী ବିଷୟ
Argument counsel for the position of land counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the petition, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/2025. He has been charge sheeted under section 69, 115, bracket 2, 89, and 351(2) of BNS. And after going through the statement of the victim, who is a married lady, and hearing the land counsel for the state, I am inclined to believe the petitioner on bail subject to condition. He shall not indulge in any criminal activities and appear before the land and trial court on each state to which the case will be posted, and he shall not try to come in contact with the victim. Violation of any terms and conditions shall enter translation. He has found the copy of the charge sheet which is taken on record.
Item number 25.
packet of coke, 21C and 29 NDPS Act.
Commercial quantity.
Yes, Lord.
Anishan, ये कैसे रही?
Number 23 packet of cough syrup.
Number 5,520 numbers of cough syrup.
Commercial quantity.
Yes, sir. 1 kg 104.
Get the case. And criminal antecedent also, no?
Madam, see that in this case, all the accused person who are even apprehended at spot, all are granted bail by the.
So later, let him bring the case,
Madam.
criminal antecedent, yes. Next.
This he should be put forward.
Books, notice to extra copy. Notice कर देना. You have got the case there?
No, madam.
Yes, CDV names. जो notice हाथ कला बड़े से जो हम कहेंगे यदि is interested that counsel can be provided from the High Court Legal Services Authority. वकालत ना होती जो हमें division bench में जो order पास possible. Yes, take it order for it. Next.
Item 27.
May I please? The books are there. Notice.
उसका आगे देना.
जी
377.
हाँ नहीं notice जो case diary इधर अच्छी.
Yes, madam. Okay.
Other case diary अच्छी item number 27 but बाकी notice जहाँ अच्छी setup पड़ी extra copy दे दो. Yes, next.
Item 28.
Where you not present. When jury is inflicted,
No,
not
there is no
indicated
case.
in the charge sheet.
That's too much.
Page 34.
There is no case.
Charge sheet कहीं.
Page 34. Assaulted by means of fist and kick blows.
302 case पर हाँ.
302 money.
302 case there 9 times like that. Next.
Item 29.
May I please, Your Lord? The corresponding IPC provisions are, my lord, the petitioner charge sheet under section for B 498, 306, 294, 34 IPC and section 4 of DP Act, my lord.
अच्छी case diary.
No, madam. There is no
Nice.
case.
Oh, हाँ.
Item 30.
So, madam, there is no case. There is 395.
अच्छा CD another criminal antecedent. No. Yeah.
And another thing that we were forgetting under section 395, but 302 is there in the affair.
What
They are
302?
saying that the informant husband was missing. But as per my instruction, he is moving in the village.
Let him bring the.
And that instruction may be taken, wherever of the informant's husband.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that who offense charge जो FIR इतना
FIR
103 रे.
Case number 103, madam.
Corresponding
Order.
103 and 395.
But on the allegation of commission of murder of the informant's husband, but in fact the namely Padmalochan sir, but he has instruction that Padmalochan Sahu is alive. The land council for the state shall obtain specific instruction also on this aspect. Yes.
Item 31.
Please, Your Lord.
And data we take in as you ask.
Six books is there, madam, notice will be.
Survey an extra copy.
उसको
हाँ. No other case diary in Python.
Case diary
Case diary Python, but notice जीवो सेटा. है ना? Division bench से जो टाइप का नोट करो. इतना जल्ला पहले सांसों को function टाइम से जल्दी अच्छी से engage करिए ना अच्छी से हमारा माने legal services की सारे वकालत नामा नहीं है से सब genesis of the. Yes, next.
Item 32.
32 मतलब 20B2C 22 kilo of contraband ganja.
Outside the state of Bihar.
हाँ नहीं case diary नहीं.
No, madam, there is no case.
अच्छा CD criminal antecedents now address verification है ना 3 task force.
Item 33.
33 मतलब 21B of the NDPS मतलब
150 gram heroin powder.
petitioner is a local person मतलब.
Any criminal antecedent?
No.
Madam, there is no.
Considering the submission made by the land council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
28/6.
huh?
28/6.
28/6/2025. The quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from the possession of the petitioner is lesser than commercial quantity, and therefore bar under section 37 is not applicable. And that there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. And after hearing the land counsel for the state, and that investigation has made substantial progress, I'm inclined to release the petitioner on bail. Yes, next.
Item 34.
The charge sheet has been submitted under sections 69, 296, 152, 318 BNS. Victim lady is 37 years, a married lady. Petitioner is 39 years. Allegation is that not so with promise to marry.
It's a rape case.
Again,
What are the IPC offenses would be?
not so.
Item 35.
May I please? My lord, codified since 2021.
We have two, my lord. 302, my lord.
302.
There is no.
There's very nice.
There
All right, next.
City, ma'am.
Item 36.
Then the more Mahapatar manner. 6 post.
Six and
They are notice to go extra copy. And CD we call for what?
City is available.
CD अच्छी CD available like them.
Notice to go matter.
Item 37.
Please, your lord. I'm on BC, my lord. My lord, offense is under section 69 and 351 2 of is maybe 493 or 376 or and 506. Promising to marry, my lord, promising to marry the petitioner has kept.
You have not annexed the statement of the victim.
My lord, 164 I don't have, my. And she says that she was
Let us see that whether
conceived.
the state is having the.
It's a 6 months pregnancy.
To 419 of the LPC manual. Allegation is that I have been identified to the informant about telephone that I'm the branch manager of a particular bank, my lord. And I told that my lord, a message was sent that 10,000 rupees gone to the account of the informant, my lord. When the informant checked it, my lord, this is a false message. No money transaction was made, my lord. And the custody since, my lord, 23/12/2024, my lord.
Agur reject is
Agur reject it is the second time.
So charge sheet has been filed.
Charge sheet submitted.
Where is your copy? Nothing upon that. Land Council for the state took some time to produce the case diary. Next.
Item 39.
Notice to go. Notice zero, the extra copy. Yes, next.
CD may be called. CD may be called. CD is available.
CD अच्छी? CD अच्छी.
Item 40.
Item 46 POCSO is there notice to go.
Extra copy only.
CD
is not available.
Okay, it is CD अच्छी. Next.
Item 41. Petitioner since property defense 22/3/25 and offense are under 69 of BNS, 69 of BNS is 16 of BNS and 351, 318, charge-sheeted.
What are the corresponding offenses of the
Lordship,
IPC?
69 is the new offense recently of the not amounting to death of on accidents of false marriage, and 351 is cheating. 318 3 is cheating, and 315 is 506 of IPC.
Have you got the statement of the victim?
161 is there, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, 150/64 is also recorded.
Age कितने था victim ना?
Lordship, they are 25. They are saying victim is saying victim is 25 and accused is 24. But the fact is the victim is more than completely adult. He is around 28 or 29. And the investigation have already completed, Lordship, and 164 also is also.
Just a minute. Since when you are in custody?
Custody since 22/3/25.
And what is the stage of investigation?
Investigation was completed.
Item 41.
But the usual would have liquidated shall not try to come in contact with the victim, shall not indulge in any criminal activity, appear before the learning trial court on which they failed the show of the. Yes, item 42.
42. With the permission, I plead to Vichy, my lordship.
6 Pokso is there.
Yes,
So,
my lordship.
serve an extra copy so that notice will go. Okay.
Oblige, my lordship.
Yeah.
Item 43.
Mr. Bhansdev.
Custody near 2 months, my lord. The offenses are around on my lord. 8 post. 8.
So the extra copy.
8 post. 6. 8 post.
Next. You have received the case diary? Next.
Item 44.
Name, please, Lordship. Your Lordship, case under section 21B of the NDPS Act. 30 grams of heroin has been seized. Petitioner is a 20 years old college going boy man. He is in custody since 30/6/2025.
Where that quantity has been mentioned?
No, that is a page 8, Your Lordship, Annex 1.
Or the Learned Council for the petition and counsel for the state. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petition, the petition is in judicial custody since 36/2025. Is a young boy, aged about 20 years, and a student, and the quantity of brown sugar stated to have been seized from his possession is okay?
30 grams, Your Lordship.
30 grams, which is lesser than commercial quantity. Therefore, bar under section 37 of the NDPS has not applicable. And after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am trying to release the petition and be allowed next.
Item 45.
Obliged, Lord.
Mr. House, petitioner for young boy, initially FIR was registered under section 303 against unknown persons.
That is corresponding to P79 of the Indian Penal Code. During the course of investigation, one Prashanta Kumar alias Ricky was arrested by the police on 11/6/2025. Subsequently, the petitioners were arrested and languishing in custody. In the meantime,
केबे arrested?
11/6/2025.
And what was seized from your possession?
Motorcycle, some motorcycle was seized.
A group of the people that there are antecedents there.
और इतने मोटरसाइकिल जब्त करछन माने चारटा केस तो कम से कम थिबो ना
प्रसन्न नार अछि 4टी केस
विकास नाग नागरे
विकास नार 2टा केस अछि
खरियार पीएस केस नंबर 29 डेटेड 26/1/2025 126 to 296 हां 29 and 30 till date he was not taken into remand
जो
and Pintu Jhanare Belpada PS case number 13/24 that was 395 and 45/27 Arms Act. In that case he was released on bail. And Abhinas Bagnare Khariar PS case number 117/2020 153 1A and 3A CST of the year. Young Bagnare
केबे टू एलेन
11/6/2025 को हां 11/6/2025
यार ऑफेंस वाला है उड़ा सो मास्टर ट्राइबल ऑफेंस उड़ा
113(4) এটা wrongly reflect is 114 but 113(4) organized crime newly arraigned. And in the meantime case has been committed to the court of sessions
by the sessions tribal offense
मारा
एलिगेशन कौन होची जो
से गाड़ी चोरी करी
मोटरसाइकिल चोरी करछन रिकवरी गलान
recovery
आउ जने सोनू माझी
no that is not
नारे 5टा
सोनू तो अदर पिटिशन नहीं Land counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners are in judicial custody. Petitioners are young boys and they're in judicial custody since Kebbe to Kothia
11/6/2025.
11/6/2025. In the meantime, charge sheet has already been submitted and the allegation against the petitioner related to commission of theft of motorcycles which were recovered from their possession. And after hearing the learning counsel for the state who submitted that the petitioners have got similar type of criminal antecedents, I'm inclined to release the petitioners on bail. Shall not indulge in any criminal activities allowed not.
Sessions about the matter, my lord. In the meantime, the new court has been going to be open.
Session set of the rules here. Next.
Item 46.
May I read? This one question has been translated for the honest commission offense matters, which is for 2F 11/3/51 6 for 2F minus corresponding to 376 minus. The question did he as a victim minus 23 years.
351 कौन?
That's at 506 minus. 506.
So you have got the case diary?
Yes, please.
What is the age of the victim?
It's 21.
21 years.
You are in custody since when?
5/6.
5/6.
5/6/2025.
So pass on, let us see that statement.
Medical report of the silent mass.
Just a minute. Charge sheet है land.
Minus.
Yes. Are the learning counsel for the petitioner, learning counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the learning counsel for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/6/2025. He has been charge sheeted under section 4664, bracket 2, bracket F, comma 351, bracket 2, out of which is 3 of BNS. And after going through the statement of the victim recorded under section so and so forth, and that the victim is a major girl, and hearing the land counsel for the state who has received the case diary and implying to relieve the petitioner on bail subject to conditions that he shall not try to come in contact with the victim or tamper with the evidence, shall not indulge in any criminal activity to appear before the land trial court on its day. Violation in terms and condition until cancellation of this allowed. Next.
Item 47.
154 kg ganja CD.
CD after puja holidays.
Item 48.
Next is the offense under section 52 of Odisha State Excise Act matter. The petitioner is custodied since 13th July 2025. The quantity recovered some beer and whiskey.
Criminal activity.
No accident.
What is your instruction, Mr.
Actually, employee of that one IMFL officer, while carrying some whiskey and beer from the warehouse to serve on the way, he was arrested and seized, but they have shown that from the house. No antecedent.
Is there anything?
No, so far antecedent is concerned that has not come.
Nothing is there on record. RG Land Council for the petition, Land Council for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 13/7/25. Offenses traveled by magistrate. Investigation has made substantial progress. And after hearing the Land Council for the state who had received the case diary, I'm inclined to release the petitioner and bail allowed. Okay. Right.
Item 49.
Custody since
18 kg ganja. Earlier there are
rejected like एते bail application करना.
interim bill ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ କିଛି interim bill ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କିଛି regular bill ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି. Kindly have a glance to page 26.
No.
Who accused delay ground ରେ bail ଯାଇଛି.
Let us come before regular bench. Yes, next.
Item 50.
Next week. Next week.
Lucky item 15.
May please alert. As the petitioner is in custody since 26/6/2025, offences under 316(5) and 318(4) BNS corresponding to 409 and 420 of IPC. No criminal antecedents. The allegation is that he as a bank employee has misappropriated rupees 70 lakhs. And my lords, he has deposited the entire 70 lakhs with the bank. That is recorded in the rejection order.
Branch staff in Union Bank of India, Liga Pondi.
Yes.
The FR is lost by the bank staff and the present petitioner is also serving as bank staff in the year 2022.
But he has deposited that amount.
Sir, that is deposited.
Or the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state submits that petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/6/2025. He was the branch staff of in Union Bank of India, Liga Pondi. And though the allegation has been leveled against him that he had misappropriated the sum of rupees 70 lakhs, but he has already deposited the said amount in the bank. Further submits that the offences are traveled by magistrate and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. And counsel for this case has not disputed about the deposit of the amount of rupees 70 lakhs by the petitioner in the bank, which is also reflected in the rejection order. Considering the submission, nature of allegations, and the petition has deposited the misappropriated amount, and further taking into account the fear of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Great.
Item 51.
On appeal,
Item 52.
It is around 52.
52, why have you?
For a prayer, 2 weeks adjournment, sir. The senior
Session
SS
just may not be
general-
content now.
No, contempt petition.
contempt.
Noting is my lord, additional session is named because.
Why have you made the additional session judge as a contemner? What he has done?
That SS general is sick, he's conducted, therefore he will place for 2
Uh-huh.
weeks. 2 weeks adjournment is placed.
No, what you have alleged in the
Tell
contempt,
me
what he has
that
done?
the present, the honorable court has passed an order and dated for so in CRMC number 1582 dated for consideration of the 3 petition filed by the eyewitnesses of the one Gitanjali and that Kosturi Vera. They filed 2 applications for exemption for under section 311 of the CRPC. And by the time that the honorable court has lower court ADJ 1 has issued NBW was postponed, and the honorable court has ordered for consideration of the petition, but the case was transferred to ADJ 2, and who did not consider though the witnesses Gitanjali and Kosturi Bera dying with the critical reasons, they given this affidavit and they circulated the honorable High Court order dated the present court had passed. It is thorough, but the ADJ 2 did not comply, and that the same order. Both are dying declared witnesses.
Who has not complied with what order?
ADJ 2, the ADJ 2
Yes.
of lower trial court did not comply the order of the present court.
Order of which court?
Order of this Honorable High Court.
What is the order?
Order is challenging the order NBW issued against the informant dated 3
Please come to the order of this court.
It is considered the petition which is stated to have been filed from the said of prosecution in accordance with the law. Consider the 2 petitions have been filed in the trial court under 311 CRPC. But
that you have already stated.
That
just tell us that how the learning trial court you have made the second ADJ as a contemner. What he has done, what contempt he has committed, what was he was asked to do, and by this court which he has not done or deliberately not done?
That SS Jana is conducting a review. He prayed for 2 weeks time. SS Jana is conducting a review. This case so he is praying for 2 weeks time.
For
2 weeks adjournment.
So 2 weeks adjournment was sought for.
No, sir.
He has not granted. So that is how he will face a contempt
Today I am
proceeding.
praying before the Hon'Ble Court.
Huh?
Today I am praying before the Hon'Ble Court on behalf of SS Jana. SS Jana conducting a review.
No, in this case will not be. Where is the petition? Contempt proceeding stands dismissed. Yes, next.
Item 53.
53.
2 petitions were not considered.
Non appears. Yes, next.
Item 54.
What is his BLA here?
It is a Lord, it is a disposed of matter. This your lordship granted the petitioner on bail.
Yes.
And thereafter the petitioner duly complied the order by depositing your lordship directed the petitioner to deposit.
Why it has come?
Sir, this is Lord, this is a anonymous letters issued by some of the informants to creating hindrances to settle the dispute. That is the dispute between the landowner and the present petitioner. They have letters.
Just a minute. This is by creating nuisance by the petitioner to official mail FZ1 5 B to B3 देखिए.
Best thereafter.
So you obtain instruction. These are perhaps he has after release on bail he has flouted. They asked the Mr. Bhuiya to take instruction on it.
Copy most of this.
Mr. Vivekanand Bhuiya, a learned special counsel appearing for the OPID Act, shall obtain instruction on the letter which has been received by this court to office mail which are at flag Z1 and B2 and B3. Actually, you do one thing, you ask Mr. Jena Bhuiya to remain present. I'm listing it some other day. So in the meantime, you just ask him to take instruction on this so that we'll hand over the copy of those mail to the, because he may have to require to file this case because
Bhuiya
it
and
is
Patra also there.
JP Patra also.
Bhuiya and Patra also there. JP Patra also there.
Mr. It's a disposed of bail application. Some letters have been received which are at so Land Council for the State submit that he will intimate Mr. Bhuiya regarding the listing of the matter. Put up this matter when I am sitting single.
You have a copy of this letter?
ଟିକେ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଗେ.
ମତେ ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେବି କଣ ହେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ.
କଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଆସିଛି ସେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଗେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. Yes, he said that the some amount you are required to pay. जो Z टा ଅଛି ପ୍ରଥମ letter ଟା ହେଉଛି Z1.
Z1 ର କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଦେଇଛି ମିଲର ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ ଡେଟେଡ 19/8/25 M
बाकी आउ दीटा लेटर आसीची जोठु जना पड़छि आपण आ गोटे सेई टाइप रो केस रे you have misutilized the liberty and you are involved in another cases. So sei guda ko
The petitioner inside the custody my lord 3 years.
here se bahari gala pare e sabu କରିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି he could have directly filed application for cancellation of bail, but instead he has sent some official letters to this court, so that is based on record.
Pardon to submit lord. M3 M3 is the affidavit submitted by the petitioner.
All right, another date for them. Next.
Item
Better
50.
extension of time allowed. Next.
Item 56.
Find out in this case,
What in this petition?
my lord, may submit was. And FIR was lost by some brother on 4/1/2022, and thereafter the petitioner released on bail by this honorable court by the order dated 5/4/2022, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, he has received the order copy from the chamber of the advocate on 7/4 and appeared for the police station on 20/4/22 for his release and for compliance of the bail order, my lord. But after that, on 3/5, the petitioner himself also again present before the police station for his release on bail and also received a notice under section 91 CRPC and complied the same. But on that date, he was also not released on bail by this police officer. And subsequently, on 13/5/2022, at very late night at 12:30, they forcefully entered into my house, break down my door, abused me and assaulted me in front of my wife, and rushed me to the police station. And without granting me bail on the same day, they have also released me. And subsequently, as per their affidavit, on 14/7/2022,
You take instruction on this application.
my lord, they have filed affidavit. Already the officers filed affidavit, and today I am filing the objection on that.
This is a contempt petition, and Sopa's affidavit has already been filed by the opposite party number 1 as well as opposite party number 2. Copy has been received by the land.
Yes, madam. I am also filing the objection today.
The land
copy also sought now.
Land counsel for the petitioner has filed the objection to the Sopa's affidavit. Dita file kariya tha semanko details again. Copy of the same has been sought on the land counsel for this case to seek some time to obtain instruction put of this matter. I will date. Yes. Next.
Item 57.
There is a case way back on 18/4/2023. Your Lordship allowed the writ application, was the order of rejection for regularization, directed them to regularize the service of the petition under Hon'Ble University within a period of 3 months. Now, a show cause has been filed, Lordship, very strange.
WA has been filed.
That's not a question.
That is
Look to paragraph 7.
9/0/24.
There are 7 of the show cause.
Posted to 8/8
By the university.
What happened in that writ appeal?
Writ appeal number 9/0/24.
Any order has been passed?
No.
8/8 को थिला the show cause but not found.
No interim order has been passed, nothing.
The land counsel.
You say look to paragraph 7. That
No, we know that the land counsel for the state submits that against the judgment and order dated 18/4/2023 passed by this board in WPC number so and so, tinta WPC. A writ appeal has been filed by the state of Orissa, which is registered as
9/0/24.
990 of 2024. And he may be given some time to obtain instruction about the status of such writ appeal. Put of this matter next when I'm sitting single. It may come next Friday. If Friday तो मैं छुट्टी ना करूँगा फिर।
$54 million.
Non appearance मैंने non appearance ना काटी देवे से बेल जो जाइची से ऑफिशियल मेल रे चिट्ठी आसी से कौन टर्म एंड कंडीशन फ्लाउट करची बेली एबे जो रिसेंट डेटा आसीची V2 and V3 ଆପଣ ତାର କପି ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ କପି ନେଇକି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇ ଆସିଛି
ତାପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରଥମରେ ଆସିଥିଲା Z1 ରେ ଯେ ଟଙ୍କା ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ହାଜ ବିନ୍ କମ୍ପ୍ଲାଏଡ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଆଉ ବାକି ଯୋଉ ଏବେ ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଆସିଛି ଯୋଉଟା V2 ଆଉ V3 ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି କପି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ କଣ ଆଲିଗେସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ତାପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଯୋଉ ନନ୍ ଆର୍ପିଏସ୍ ଟା କାଟିଦେବେ ହେଲା
both 53 and 54
ମିଷ୍ଟର ପାତ୍ର ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ କାଉନସିଲ Special Counsel appearing for the state of Orissa and OPA that matter is present, and he submitted that he has received the copies of the mail that is at flag J and so and so, and he may be given some time to obtain instruction.
Instruction I they decided.
He has received the instruction and handed over the same to the Land Council for the petitioner. Matter be placed on another date when I am sitting soon. You have received now the you take.
Yes, I have 53 also.
50?
It also appeared matter not just.
तादेर कौन है जी?
ये डेरी के लास्ट पे
नॉन आती है। इधर से कहीं ना आती सेमान भी ना आती अपन ना आती बट एटा लिखी देवे लैंड काउंसिल फॉर दी मिस्टर पात्र इज प्रेजेंट है ना इधर 53 है ना? ओके